Could the fearsome kraken of legend lurk in the inky depths of our world's oceans? A question that has stirred the minds of many and continues to add a touch of mystery to the world beneath the waves. Our journey begins in the age of sail, in the foggy realm of folklore and seafaring tales. The kraken, a monstrous creature of unparalleled size and strength, was said to dwell in the icy waters of the North Sea. It was a terror to sailors, its tentacles capable of dragging entire ships to the watery abyss. The kraken, however, was not simply a figment of the imagination. It was an attempt to explain the unexplainable, to give form to the unseen horrors of the deep. As such, it is a testament to the human drive for knowledge and understanding, a drive that would eventually lead us to the truth about the deep ocean kraken. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the kraken of legend takes on a new form. We know it now as the giant squid, a creature that, while not as monstrous as the kraken of lore, is nonetheless remarkable in its own right. The giant squid is an elusive dweller of the deep. Its habitat extends up to 2,000 meters below the surface in a world of perpetual darkness. It is in this harsh environment that the giant squid has evolved unique adaptations. From its enormous eyes, the largest in the animal kingdom, to its powerful beak capable of crushing prey, the giant squid is a testament to the marvels of evolution. However, much remains unknown about these deep-sea giants. Their elusive nature and the harsh conditions of their habitat make them difficult to study. Yet, the mystery that surrounds them only fuels our curiosity. It drives us to venture deeper, to explore the unknown. So, what have we learned so far? The kraken, a creature of legend, is a symbol of the unknown, a testament to our instinctive curiosity and our drive to understand the world. It has evolved from a mythical monster to a biological marvel, the giant squid. Yet, the deep ocean kraken remains a mystery. Its elusive nature and the harsh conditions of its habitat continue to challenge our understanding. The kraken is a reminder that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and that the journey of exploration and discovery is never-ending. The deep ocean kraken, a creature of legend and science, a symbol of the unknown, a testament to our curiosity and our drive for understanding. A reminder that there are still mysteries to be solved, wonders to be discovered, and a world beneath the waves waiting to be explored. In the end, the kraken is not just a creature. It is a symbol, a challenge, a mystery. It is a call to explore, to understand, to discover. And as we continue to delve into the depths, who knows what other wonders we might uncover?